Welcome everyone! We're going to be making a very simple and delicious ginger green onion red crab stir fry. Fresh red crab meat is sweet and the texture is a mix between shrimp and lobster. If you love seafood and you've never had this, you definitely should try it. You will need 3 fresh red crabs. Now it's best to use live red crabs as the meat is much sweeter. Chef Dad is here to show us how we're going to prep the red crab and cook it. You need to remove the flap that is covering the belly and then get a grip of the shell and remove the shell from the body. The next thing you need to do is remove the mouth pieces and the spongy material that is attached to the body. This is the most important part. You need to remove the bladder bag from the shell. It is close to the head where the eyes are. If you're like me and you like to lick the sauce from the shell, this is really important. You need to make sure that you brush all the shell clean. Chop the body of the crab into smaller pieces. This is much easier to cook and eat later. My son Owen loves to watch Grandpa cook in the kitchen. Thinly slice a block of ginger. In Chinese stir fries, especially with seafood, we always add ginger. Dice 3 cloves of garlic. You will need 3 to 4 long green onion, and can you believe it, we're still harvesting green onion from my backyard. Rinse and cut the green onion into 1-inch pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to your wok on high heat. Add the sliced ginger and diced garlic to your wok. Sauté for 5 seconds. Add the crab to the wok. Remember to save the juice from the crab for later. Sauté and toss the red crab in the wok to ensure that the flavor from the garlic and ginger get on all the pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine, then sauté to mix. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and mix well. My dad loves going to the supermarket and looking for different types of seafood to try different recipes. My dad always reminds me that if the seafood is fresh, you don't need to add a lot of seasoning. He likes it to be nice and light so that you can taste the freshness of the seafood. Add the crab juice. Now cover and simmer for 1 minute. Add the green onion and mix well. Plate the shells first so that it can collect all the sauce from the crab. It is important to make a slurry to thicken the sauce so that it will wrap around the shell. Add 1 tablespoon of water to 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it, turn off the heat, and then slowly add the cornstarch slurry in. Make sure that you mix it all well so that the sauce can get onto all the individual pieces of the crab. It does take a lot of patience to get to the meat of the crab, but I promise you, it's so tasty and well worth the effort. The shell on the legs of this crab is actually not hard and a little bit soft, so what I like to do is use a scissor to cut them open to get to the meat of the legs. I hope you get a chance to taste the delicious meat of the red crab. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.